Hello and welcome to this detailed step-by-step guide on how to change wheels on the Meepo Hurricane and similar 2-in-1 electric skateboards. In this guide, I will change from the terrain to the street wheels, but the procedure is basically the same regardless of which wheels you're changing to. First off, make sure you have all the needed parts and tools. The wheels you're changing to, obviously, the belt pulleys, appropriate belts, protective covers for the belts, a skate tool, and possibly an Allen key. It's fairly straightforward to change the front wheels. Just undo the screws using the skate tool. Replace the wheel and then place the washer and the nut and screw them in place tightly. The wheel should be able to spin freely if installed correctly. For the back wheels, we start with the same procedure. Undo the screw and remove the wheel. If the installed pulley doesn't come loose from the wheel itself, you will have to carefully remove the pulley from the belt and then remove the wheel and the pulley as one unit. To remove the belt, we first need to remove the belt cover. On the Hurricane, it's attached with 2 screws. Use the included Allen key to remove these and save them for later. Now we can replace the belt. Next up is the new pulley, which we will place on the axle and slowly rotate in place so that the belt attaches to it. It should be firmly in place and fully inserted. We then need to install the new belt cover with the 2 screws we saved from before. Next up is the wheel, which we will put on the axle and then align with the pulley. If you're having trouble aligning the inner cylinder of the wheel with the axle, a tip is to use the Allen key to make it a bit easier. Finally, we add the washer and the nut and screw these in place like we did with the front wheel. The wheel should be able to move with the motor if installed correctly. Give all screws around the board an extra inspection and make sure they are secured properly before you ride. Please note that if you're installing the terrain wheels, let the inlet to the wheel's inner tube face outwards. If you think this video was helpful, leave a like. Thanks for watching.